guys, sit wrap after owning the MK6 Golf GTI for about 3 to 4 months. The problem I'm facing now is a broken hatch lock mechanism. Currently the hatch is not locked. When you have danger is when you actually go through a speed bump fast enough that the hatch will actually open. Other than that, if let's say you're going at speed about 70-80 kilometers an hour, and I don't think it will open because it's quite heavy, and of course this car still let you drive like there's no emergency warning or something that won't allow you to drive with the hatch open. Now we're heading to the garage to get it done. Okay, besides the hatch lock mechanism that is broken, other than that, so far this car has not made me stranded beside the road, apart from the dead battery. After owning the car for about 2 months, we actually encountered a dead battery, and it's just a matter of changing a new one. Other than that, there's a few things that we need to sort it out, but it's not urgent. Like for example, there's some bushes we need to change. Okay, now we have arrived.